morning guys. Nagluluto ako ng aming lunch. Kasi mga 11:30 na. Kagabi, hindi naman ako nakatulog ng maayos. Sa dami ng iniisip. Today na yung official na start ng ating paghahanda sa ating pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Ganun kami ka-excited guys. Halos yun na lang yung nakaano sa aking utak. Umiikot. Ang aking lulutuin ay eggplant curry lang guys. So, nagka-cut pa ako. Hindi pa siya tapos. Pero pinatry ko na itong onions. Then, lalagyan ko rin siya ng dried prawn. Ngayon, paborito namin yan. Tapos egg din. Nagbo-boil pa ako ng egg dyan. Ang dami kong iniisip na nagiging absent-minded ako. Kunyari may ginagawa ko. Then, makakalimutan ko yung isa. Kasi yung isip ko nasa ibang bagay. Gaya nito, yung ating onion. Malapit na siyang masunog. Dahil ang dami ko na namang iniisip. Kaloka. Pero hindi naman masyadong kalata na nag-iba ang kulay niya, di ba? Dahil nilagyan ko ng turmeric powder at saka chili powder. Ngayon, ito na lang yung eggplant. And then, ito yung magiging tubig niya. Dry tamarind juice. Ayan. Mamaya ko nalagyan ng asin. Tulungan daw niya ako guys na maglaba. Ryan always wants to help me. Either washing the clothes or cooking. Is it that heavy? Yes. You can put full, Nana. Careful, okay? It's gonna spill. Put everything. Just put there. Enough. Close properly. Yes. Then press this one first. Yes. Then you know where to put it. Okay. Good job. Taste test.
I want to taste this also.
You want also maybe?
Is it hot?
Salt?
Perfect for it.
Okay.
Is it hot?
No, not really, Nana.
Why is there like...
It's just like
Blow,
that.
blow, blow,
You
blow,
need to
blow,
blow.
Yeah.
It's so good. I tasted it already.
It's not hard.
Right?
Okay?
Where are you going? Going somewhere?
Yeah, going down, we'll be back.
Okay. Ayan guys, simpleng ulam. Pwede ko itong lutuin sa Pilipinas. Kasi everything is available lang naman sa Pilipinas. Turmeric powder and chili powder lang naman yung importante na galing dito. Kasi mag-iiba ang lasa niya pag ibang chili powder. Lalo na. So as early as now guys, gusto ko nang i-sort out ang aking mga gamit. Especially yung mga damit ko na hindi ko talaga ginagamit at all for how many months na. Alam niyo naman na ang katawan ni Mami Verly ay tataba, papayat, tataba, papayat. So may mga ibang damit ako na hindi ko talaga nasusuot. And yung mga Indian clothes, aking tatanggalin na rin. Kasi ibibigay ko sa aking mga sister-in-laws. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung plano ni Daddy Ron kung kailan kami uuwi ng probinsya. So at least, ma-ready ko na habang may time ako. Alam nyo naman na ang dami natin ginagawa at iniisip. So, pag may mga ganitong free ako na oras, gawin natin. Gaya nito guys, ito, mga damit na ito, literally, hindi ko na siya nagagamit. And then sa baba, yung mga Indian clothes ko. And then dito din, sa kabilang, ayan. O, diba? Ang dami. Pero hindi ko na siya nasusuot. Yung mga usually na sinusuot ko ay nasa aming guest bedroom. Ang dami ko talagang nami-waste na space. Hello? Do you wanna eat now? Shall I give you food? Or later? Now? Okay. Wait for a while. Dito guys. Ayan. Ito lang yung mga damit na lagi ko talagang sinusuot. So, yung dun sa kabila. I-sort out natin. Pero bigyan ko muna ito ng pagkain. Itong mga modern gowns ko guys. Bibigay ko sa mga kaibigan ko. Depende sa kanila kung sinong may gusto. At kung kanino kakasya, of course. Pero pwede namang i-adjust yan eh. That is back. You wanna eat now?
Yeah. You want clothes?
Yeah. Trying to remove all these clothes.
Okay.
We'll send to Gudem. Maybe Shiva, your friends, going back to Gudem
That's it.
one of
Maybe
these
when I go
days.
also,
Yeah, when we go, at least it's ready.
yeah, I'll get boxes for that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Want to eat?
Yeah, yeah. Ryan, how is it, Nana? Tell Daddy.
Nice, really nice.
He said it's the best, Daddy.
What?
My curry. Yes.
Is he lying?
He's eating also the dry prawn now. Before he used to not like. He like it now. Ayan guys, mag-separate tayo ng mga kung ano yung pwede ko nang ibigay sa aking mga sister-in-law.
I don't think this entire box because this is all my very old clothes.
Yeah, the
God,
entire
it's
box. Ayaw daw niya yung entire box kasi ito yung mga luma na niyang damit, maliliit. So, pwede na namin ibigay kay Tanvi or kay Arush.
It's already so small. Like maybe we bought it last year. This.
Yeah, I think you can still wear this, right?
I have another one of that one.
Yeah. Just choose. There's still another box here. I think this one.
That one I like.
You
There's
can
all
use.
of my favorites in there.
Okay, just separate, okay? Mommy will do the same.
Oh, this is too small.
Okay.
Look at this.
Actually guys, kung iisipin, meron na lang kaming mga 2 buwan or almost 2 buwan na lang na paghahanda na dapat gawin. Eh, ang dami namin kailangan na i-dispose na gamit. So, hinay-hinay natin gawin ito.
Nope, I don't need this.
Which one?
What is this? Oh. Yeah, basically. No, I want this. I want the banyan.
Gusto niya talaga yung mga sando. A lot of banyan or sando in Philippines na we can buy new ones there also. This is already
Small.
small and yellowish. Kasi binili namin ito sa Pilipinas. Okay?
Okay.
So you don't want all these things.
Oh.
We'll put that in the
So everything,
box.
I'll keep everything that I don't want. I'll keep it here.
Here, yeah.
Everything that I want, I'll keep inside there.
Okay. Very good.
Keep it like this. I want to sit down.
No problem.
I love this one. This one.
Okay. But this is also small already. You can still wear, but
I want.
maybe you cannot bring to Philippines because
See,
it's small.
This is the new one. See?
Yeah.
I'll keep this one. At least one line.
Okay. Ayan, look here.
Why do we need it?
It's winter here.
It's hot there.
Yeah, but you still can use here in Hyderabad. We still have a few months. It's nice, right? I just saw it there on your closet.
It's still so
You
big.
can do like this. Like
No, I
that.
don't like
Fold
that.
it. Nana, you should fold it. It's not like that. Oh, that one is so cool. You remember Tito Mark?
Yeah.
Used to wear like that?
It's
Oh,
funny.
before you go to school, I mean, going to school, you can wear this one. Yeah! Nauna ko pang nagawa yung kay Ryan, guys. So, lahat ito ay napaglakihan na niya. And ito ibibigay ko kay Nagu at Ratna kasi same ng school si Arush at saka si Ryan, diba, DPS. So, same yung kanilang uniform. Pwede niyang magamit ito. At least school uniform. Try lang nilang paputin na mabuti kasi medyo may mga mancha-mancha na. Ayan, yung iba para kay Arush at saka kay Tanvi. Sila na bahala separate. Since wala pa tayo nung carton, ito na lang muna ang bag na ito. Kasi isa sa ulit din naman ito sa probinsya. So at least malagyan ng mga gamit. Sakto lang. Damit lang nila yan na magkakasya. May mga sapatos din pala si Ryan at saka tsinelas na maliit na sa kanya. So, i-ano din natin. Bukas ko lang ipagpatuloy yung mga damit ko, guys. At least na sort out ko na yung kay Ryan. And, you know, ang good thing, guys, naka-apply kami ng tourist visa. When was it, Nana? Last year, I think, or the year before. So, I have an idea na kung paano mag-apply ng tourist visa for Philippines. And, ito, lahat ng file na ito. Ito yung mga kailangan ko na i-print out or i-prepare. And, ayan, nakalabas na rin yung mga documents namin, guys, para ma-separate ko na, ma-prepare na talaga lahat. Past few days, wala akong ginawa kundi mag-research about tourist visa ni Ryan at saka ni Ram. So, may mga nakausap na akong Filipina sa Chennai kasi yung Chennai Philippine Consulate yung pinakamalapit sa amin. And usually, basta mga tourist visa, sa Chennai kami dapat na mag-apply. Yung main embassy kasi ng Pilipinas ay nasa Delhi. So, medyo malayo siya. And, ang sabi nila, ngayon daw ay e-visa na. So, kung iisipin mo, wow, e-visa, madali na lang. Madali na lang ang submission, gano'n, hindi na talaga kailangan na pumunta ka pa doon, or kailangan na personal na mag-apply, ganito, ganyan. But, may downside, guys. And, ito yung pinakamalaking hindrance para sa amin sa pag-apply ng tourist visa ni Ryan at saka ni Ram. So, kakasimula lang ng e-visa. Ang e-visa ay parang maximum of 30 days stay lang sa Pinas. Pero ang gusto namin, di ba, magtagal kami sa Pilipinas. And ang problema talaga sa e-visa is hindi siya convertible into TRV, which is Temporary Residence Visa. So, makakapag-stay si Ryan at si Ram sa Pinas ng 5 years kung meron silang TRV. So, ang kailangan talaga namin ay yung stamp visa. Yung talagang nakalagay sa passport nila, Ryan, yung visa, hindi yung e-visa lang. And ang sinasabi nila, hindi na daw sila nag-i-issue ng stamp visa kasi lahat daw ngayon ay e-visa na lang. So, ang dami kong kinausap, guys. May kinausap pa ako sa New Delhi na Philippine Embassy. Then, may kinausap na naman ako sa Chennai Consulate. Makaawa ako, please. Last na lang kami. At kahit last na lang kami talaga na bigyan nyo ng stamp visa. Kasi, yun nga ang mahirap sa e-visa. Hindi siya convertible. And, ang kailangan gawin, kung hindi makakuha ng stamp visa si Ryan at saka si Ram, pupunta ng Pinas with e-visa, then mag-a-apply ng TRV sa Pilipinas, then uuwi na naman ng India, dala yung document na nakapag-apply na ng TRV, then from here mag-a-apply na naman ng stamp visa para makapunta na naman sila ulit sa Pilipinas at doon hintayin na lumabas yung TRV. Di ba? Sobrang complicated. Sabi nila nag-i-strict na daw sila when it comes to visa ng mga Indians. Kasi siguro masyado daw maraming Indians sa Pilipinas. Timing na timing mo. September sila nag-stop ng guys, ng stamp visa. Tapos e-visa na ngayon. Kami ngayon pa kami magpa-process. Pero hoping pa rin kami na tatanggapin nila yung application namin sa stamp visa. And there's no harm of trying. Kung hindi man mangyari ang stamp visa, then wala kaming choice kundi mag-e-visa papunta ng Pinas. Mag-apply doon ng TRV. Then, balik na naman sila dito sa India. But there's always a way. Kaya, kailangan na namin asikasuhin talaga ito. From now, most probably mag-a-apply kami ng visa next week. Kompleto na lahat and isi-send na lang via post sa Chennai para makastart na ng application kasi kung tanggapin nila, it will take maybe more than 1 month of processing bago ma-release yung tourist visa. So, at least hindi tayo magahol sa oras, di ba? So, ayan guys. Totoong-totoo na ito. That's our marriage certificate or Ryan's birth
I
certificate.
think this is marriage certificate. This is NS1. Okay? And this is Ryan Fellow. This is Ryan birth certificate in Philippine Embassy we did it. I think we need to take like that, right? We don't have right now. This is one that they registered that one. I think this one can put it copy.
Copy only or original? I think original.
Original,
Ready
right,
to
yeah.
send.
And this is our marriage one.
Okay.
So this is the marriage one, NS1. This is
Yeah,
embassy.
you put it together maybe.
Yeah,
so
this
that-
one can put together. After this is your birth certificate.
Yeah, it's needed also.
This is
Ryan one, I think. The birth certificate here in India. Right?
Ryan Fellow. Yeah. This is Ryan original. And
I will print out later the request letter
this is
and
the last time passport application. See what is it? See. Okay. Then,
at least in one envelope only you put all together. Where are we going? Pani Puri time! Dito na kami guys. Si Ryan, gustong-gusto na niya ang Pani Puri. Your new favorite, right? Andun sila Diram. Nagbabayad. How many you will eat? 10? Oh my God! Paid. Dito kami sa basement. Nakabili si Daddy Ram ng karton. How many, Daddy? One only? Okay. It's okay. We need more of that. How much? 20 rupees. Pero, bukas na ako magbabalot. Pagod na ako guys. May trabaho pa tayo mamaya. Puyatan na naman. A lot of mosquitoes now, right, Daddy?
yeah.
Grabe guys. Ang daming lamok dito sa sa sala. Lalo na sa labas. Yung sa balcony. And doon sa baba. That's why they always do that. Ang tawag doon ay yung
Fogging.
fogging pala ng mga mosquitoes.
But I don't think they're doing fogging anymore.
Is it?
They're doing.
They're doing, but there's so many mosquitoes coming.
Still, of course. Daddy Ram went out for a while. Just came back. Let's plan something tomorrow.
Something's.
I have work.
Oh, you have work?
Me and Ryan, maybe.
Yeah.
Huh, Nana? Shall we go somewhere? Huh? Park? Maybe park? Wanna go to park?
Cycling. Palpita park.
Dog
Early
park?
morning, shall we wake up early?
Dog park?
Oh my god, Nana, we don't have dog. We don't
Oh,
have
cycling park.
Cycling park.
Two. Only two of us?
We always wake up late.
Yeah, you and mommy.
Me and
Yeah.
you? Last time we did it with Jason Uncle.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, Jason Uncle.
Cycling park.
Cycling. You know the cycling one?
It's now we went.
Oh yeah, I mean the other one, Nana. That's different one. Okay na, say goodbye to guys. Sleep.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, sharing the bell icon. Bye. See you guys.
See you soon.
Peace.
See you soon in Philippines!
You better watch out. You better keep an eye. So we're gonna be going Manila first, right?
Not yet sure, Nana.
Wait.
But a lot
Yes,
of
please.
them are in Manila, so they want to.
Keep
See us.
your eye out.
We'll see.
Pure eye.